Though respectable audience, I have a new question for you. Question is 5 raised to power 3x plus 2 minus 5 raised to power 3x plus 1 is equal to 100, and we have to find the value of x. This question can be solved by splitting power 3x plus 2. We can write 2 as 1 plus 1 minus 5 raised to power 3x plus 1 is equal to 100. Now we can take common 5 power 3x plus 1. Here 5 raised to power 1 minus 1 is equal to 100 because we have taken whole as a common. So 5 raised to power 3x plus 1 times 5 minus 1 is equal to 4, which is equal to 100. Now 4 is divided by 100, so 5 raised to power 3x plus 1 will be equal to 100 divided by 4. 5 raised to power 3x plus 1 will be equal to 25. Now we can convert 25 into 5, so we will get 5 raised to power 3x plus 1, and here we can write 5 as square, as there are same bases, so they are cancelled, and exponent will be same, so 3x plus 1 will be equal to 2. Here is 3x will be equal to 2 minus 1, and 3x will be equal to 1, hence we get to x is equal to 1 by 3, which will be our answer. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel.